we charge us and
something on something.
Ni malamo.
Kenoko achaloko.
Malemo.
Kenoko achaloko.
Malemo.
Do something on something.
Malemo. Kenoko chaloko mi no wa fe. Thank you.
Lemo. Na we che. Ko wa chale o. Se o sa mata.
Como será ba ta.
Ka tap. Ayi se wozo.
Oyin mi e.
Tada no ga mi le tada.
Ma plabo e. Ma plabo e.
Bempe.
What you know? Ene me sonye. This is what you know. Chaja. Chale. Kenoko achaloko ko eno ko.
Malemo.
Kenoko achaloko ko eno.
Malemo.
Anytime via charger, anytime my phone, anytime.
Chale what's up?
Long time, Chale. Time you say that they make slow. I don't know. The teacher can say
Dane goose.
Elenoko.
Who was too near port.
Inkela ke ko to ni bi ni ya Reeby multimedia. Je na fi ono fe no fine. Da na nye complain ma ba.
Talk these goods with me, I go carry. The things with me, I go carry. The things we I go carry.
Man, if you okay,
Obana. Me the explanation, you know they believe me. You want me to talk you something. You be John boy. They want talk something. Charlie, can no quarter no go.
Ni malemo.
Can no quarter no go.
No walemo. Ken ka chano kwa mno afi. No. Olenoko. Charlie, nye. Oti me 15 bet. E chef yo na blocking ha. O gbanyin.
Ke wa ke o all day. We are feeling today. We are feeling there I will better fit.
Wa da bi je mo. So
E ke sikaba, meni here ska, e beska.
Mission wala.
Ala. Ala mi ti amo.
Ke wa ke ko.
Nena mo ga o se. Bari mane pa. Bo. Lala. A so we ni o ga se wo.
We ya kasa tire wa un tiwo.
O na de.
Me ka jo say ka ba bi e do.
O emi. O why na mini pay? Mini pay, me no pay him no. Yan wo be no ahin so no. Like me na joke ko him.
Sunday, mini pay, you won't pay what? But what did they talk? I know they understand. Anytime you come here, then you do your body say your mother died. Charlie, what be your problem?
Charlie, so.
Oh, if you want my say if you want my business.
Ben ye fofo.
Fofo, what am difference here?
Ne te na mo shop.
For someone
I be number one breast.
I don't want to cook and no ko chano ko no. Fofo.
No, what is I be join? Make we talk. Someone on. We can talk.
Yomo.
Ye la ke fofo show mo enu ade.
Oh no, I
dey listen.
Ni month ni na yo mi ake loko breast cancer awareness month. O ke o mo ni o la ke je o ye fofo ye hia e ta o show fofo o de gba ade en ka. Una ni ni fofo chomo ka o show ke cancer ye fofo mi e ba ya. Fofo ke di o show fofo e ta ko mo tun shi.
Make sure you pack the things inside. Eh? Okay. Don't leave anything inside.
Come on.
You are not my boy, but don't put your hand on
Beni, no. Ona ko we for some side. Tia yo ne ba woni o. E tia you for ne yin. Kin na for ne. Na just le ne kin. Ni.
Charlie, you be normal.
Hey, go tell you about no shop.
You be normal. Who in the talking matter? No man know you.
You know your girl.
You are very stupid.
Belle ho ye girl.
Charlie, come up for that. You are very stupid.
Belle ho ye girl ko in le ke no about.
Masa.
Why no be your? I no call you
man. Me a small.
Go load no girl here. Look at the load where your wife they carry. You won't go sack. You are very stupid.
Ona ga bojo mo yin.
Charlie, make you not talk me that things.
Hey, yeah, inna enyo poni shock. Why? Kuna be na check man.
I don't know why this guy if you talk about this guy. Hey, make you not come here again, John boy.
Left arm.
Make you not come here. You know breast.
Oh, left arm. Oh,
you are very stupid.
Left arm.
See, make us talk. Me like me be what we do the we do. Okay, ba ni. o sa no wo show me no me jolly for won ke jo go no ba no wo show be
I know that.
Buhari wa sole no ataka gbena.
Masa, no.
Le fufu na ke ba we. E dey fufu tanka e.
Masa, this one be random.
Ramen in dom.
You want to suck my wife, you know? Take your wife come first.
you get nya wo for no piano so a show mu ko mani what bangu ko wada nene bangu e ready babo la jijos wa just no ba wire that then that then
go I go come. So you I dey see say you be my friend, no, this be the idea wey dey your mind. You want suck my wife in breast. Hey, you know the fear. Okay. I see. Yeah, this guy. Hey, our wife. Peace.
Yeah.
I was even coming to see Miracle. Is he there?
No.
Hey. Oh, okay.
Any problem?
There's no problem. But we were talking about this breast cancer. As you want to stop your breast.
No.
Hey!
And that's the biggest problem we are having in this market.
Hey,
So,
he want to kill you. He doesn't stop your breast.
No.
Hey! Your weightage is 270 meters. Hey, he want to kill you. Oh, no.
I'm not ready to die now.
Hey, I have to stop your breast for you. Because
Really?
you are in the dead mode.
Eh?
You are in the dead mode. Hey! Oh, nah.
Are you sure?
Sure. No. This can't be. Hey! And you feel okay when we are walking? Like, do you feel anything? You don't feel
Okay,
anything?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? Masa, no.
What is going on?
Your husband is not forcing for you. You haven't heard of this breast cancer awareness?
No.
Hey!
I know nothing about it.
You know nothing about it? Hey, no, your husband is not forcing. Do you know something? I have to suck your breast for you.
Really?
Yeah, I have to suck because you're in the deep mode.
For free?
Oh. Why am I going to take more? Free! I'm talking about free here.
Okay,
Free.
if that is the case there, then you have to save me.
No problem.
Okay,
No problem.
I'm ever ready. Wait.
Nigga, why? Huh?
What?
Nigga, why?
Me no know you.
You think
Na kolo.
Hey, come. Hey, why? Charlie, leave me.
No, what?
Leave me.
This is the same reason we have been fighting.
BBC.
No.
Look for that Reeby. Make it just my time. When I have me time.
Which time?
Leave me.
When I'm about to die.
I dey suck your wife in breast. You talk. You
Hey,
want to suck somebody in your wife breast.
Which kilo?
Hey, Chema, listen. You know be you wey say you want to suck my wife in breast. You know be you wey talk that thing.
See,
Huh?
I go down.
Just leave me.
Charlie,
Hey, I go down. I dey come. I want enter. I hear some with you. I say, remember I told you some people dey like this my father here.
yes I know
I come to see you. No, they want suck my woman in bed.
It's a lie.
Hey, listen.
Abayo.
You know be you wey say
Abayo.
you want to suck my wife in breast.
So
Wait.
wait.
So as I dey suck your wife, you dey talk.
Breast cancer.
Hold it there. Hey! You don't want to do it. Someone is trying to do it too. You don't want.
He doesn't
That
do
is
it.
No.
Oh, I'm here.
You don't.
I'm also here.
Wait, I'm giving you option. Whether you do it or not. Are you ready
Just
to do it?
Don't worry. I'll do it.
Because I've
It's
lost
okay.
a candidate.
Listen.
Who will help me?
Miracle.
Are you ready?
Miracle. Sako olamo, keji olamo mi malamo abuyi. Keji olamo, oba save your life. Ona ni.
It's okay. So first I have to do what? Suck it.
Yes.
To save her life.
Yes.
And it's my woman.
Go and suck my brother.
I'll be let's go. I'm going to suck it.
You know they suck your woman in breast. Somebody they suck your woman in breast. They can't talk.
I don't go
Anyemime, Ankaji Bukwe, you know Bafi. Mean you are no for. Nanke one cat, then I'll be my fellow loved ones. If it were to be you, what would you